I'm showing you how to use the tool called FFmpeg to convert any video to other formats like audio. So over here you need to run the brew command, or you need to run the command to install FFmpeg using brew on macOS. So our package is still installing, so we'll wait for it to finish installing, then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so we have our FFmpeg package installed now. So the next thing we'll do is to do the conversion. Convert this video file here, which is the box-b.mp4, to an audio file. Currently it is a video, so I want to convert it to an audio. So let's open the terminal. The new terminal. Alright, so once you've opened your terminal, you are going to go inside the document directory. So do cd document, then you need to type in FFmpeg. We do -i and the name of the video, which is box-b.mp4. Then you will paste this right here, which is the -kill a0 output.mp3. So I'm going to run this. So as you can see, our conversion is done here. So we now have our video converted to an mp3 file. So let me come inside my document directory and scroll down. So we should have, so there's it. So this is our output.mp3 file that has been converted. So FFmpeg is a very useful tool, right, that you can use for a lot of operations on file formats, file extensions, and so on. So you can try it out. Let me know how it goes, and don't forget to like and subscribe.